first chapter is taking to the cool for his doctor. He can see her birthday. No, he just came to the doctor. The baby dog, but ran to make him fall. And threw him to the fence and he made him hurt his leg. And now he's not moving for 80 years. 10 years. So he's so cute. Now we're just putting them both in the fence. We're going to be just fine. Why are you pushing my leg? So, pace. Excuse me, this is my first video in the world. Bye guys. Punch.